Hey guys, this is Jeff again, and right now I'm gonna show how to reboot your power outlets on this 1008 old version on the J4500 models. Alright, very simple. If somebody on the bus complained that the outlet is not working, or you figure out that yourself, you park, right? You apply the parking brake, go to neutral, make sure it's safe, open the door, you come and you open the front storage bay, secure it, and under the roof, under the ceiling, you see the power inverter, right? So if there is no power, the light is gonna be right here. It's gonna be red, and it's gonna be beeping, making noise, beep, 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 beep. You can actually hear it from the driver's side area. Okay, so you just shut the switch off, press it back on, and the power is gonna be rebooted. All right, very simple, very easy. Thank you.